Hi, this is your Sir Bren, and welcome to the lesson on how to input and organize data in Minitab. We have an example here, delivery times and location, which is into A and B. And then now we open our Minitab software. This is a blank software. This is like a Excel spreadsheet in the bottom part. So let's get back to our Excel spreadsheet. Now first we will input data. Simply copy paste. We copy including the label, delivery time and location, and then Ctrl C. Go to your Minitab, and then in the upper left corner just place the mouse pointer and then Ctrl V. You can see that we have two columns, delivery time and location A and B. This is called stacked data. If you want this to be unstacked data, just go to data and then unstack columns. Place the delivery time in here, just double click, and then using subscripts in location. And then if you want to unstack data in a new worksheet, just leave it in default, or if you want it to be placed after the last column, just tick here and then OK. You can see that we have two additional columns, delivery time A and delivery time B. So if you wonder why bother doing unstacked data, because there are some Minitab commands that require unstacked data. Thank you very much. Hope you have learned from this lesson, and don't forget to subscribe to Sir Bren, and I will see you on my next video. Thank you very much.